this video has taken a different direction. This is a video about why you should not attempt to replace the deck on a push mower. It's not worthwhile. And the parts place told me it wasn't worthwhile, but I still wanted to do it. So at the end of this video, there'll be lots of reasons why you probably shouldn't try to replace the deck on a push mower. Do you guys remember the lawnmower that I got for free last year in 2021, and I fixed the bale rail thing on it? Well, it's got more problems. The deck is just cooked. So I've ordered a new deck, and the new deck is back ordered. So I'm going to try and pull everything off of this and get it ready for the new deck if it ever comes in. Gross. Earwigs. Gross. Earwigs. I should have been a lot more careful when working with the aluminum crankcase, for sure. I didn't have heat, so I couldn't use heat to get those bolts out. I don't have bolt extractors, and I was a little too liberal with the impact wrench when I was disassembling. So on top of having to get a new deck, there were some screws that went into the front cover and the rear baffle that they needed to be replaced. So I think maybe the blade adapter might have been okay. It looks like the pins are still on the motor shaft, but yeah, there were a lot of things that probably should have been replaced. So now I'm back to using my even older 1994 Lawn Boy. I'll get some fresh fuel for that because it's been in storage for quite a while, and I hope that that works for the rest of this cutting season. Thanks for watching, you guys, and if you've replaced the mower deck, let me know down in the comments on how it went for you. And even after all of that, I still really wish I could repair this by replacing the crankcase cover in the bottom, but it's over 130 Canadian dollars, not currently available, plus the bottom crankcase gasket, plus I'd have to get the blade adapter off the output shaft. Unfortunately, I have to let this one go.